In this YouTube channel, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix if the Dell laptop Wi-Fi is not working. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar, and here we need to type CMD. Now on the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. And you just need to simply follow me for the commands that we are going to run in here. Do not worry, this will also be posted in the description section of this video. So first command is netsh space int space ip space reset space c colon forward slash resetlog.txt, hit enter. Next command, ipconfig space forward slash flushdns, hit enter. Next command, ipconfig space forward slash release, hit enter. Next command, ipconfig space forward slash renew, hit enter. And for the last command, it's netsh space winsock space reset, hit enter. Then you need to type exit, hit enter. And then you have to restart your Windows by right clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then for the next method, you need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. So device manager will appear under the best match. Click on that. Now here in the device manager window, you need to simply locate network adapters. And here you have to look for your network adapter. You just need to make a right click, select update driver, and then browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you have to choose one by one as to what will work for you. Then you have to click on next, and Windows will successfully update your driver. And after that, you just need to also restart your Windows. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar, and you need to type in here ncpa.cpl. Then click on that under the best match. Now here in the network connections window, you just need to simply locate your Wi-Fi and then make sure this is not disabled. So if this is disabled, you just have to make a right click and then select enable option from here. So once this is enabled, then you have to click on properties. Now the properties window will appear. You have to look for the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. And here you'll find this option, use the following DNS server addresses. So click on that. For the preferred DNS server, type in here 1.1.1.1. And for the alternate DNS server, you need to type in here 1.0.0.1 and click on OK. And then you have to close all these windows. Okay, then for the final method, we just need to simply click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left hand, we just have to simply click on network and internet. Then we have to scroll down and look for advanced network settings. And here we can find the option network reset under more settings. Click on that. So you just have to click on the reset now button, and this will restart your Windows. And after that, you just have to re-enter your connection password. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.